morning. 43 strong, 1,000 followers. Good morning. Talado Arbein Alif. Talado Arbein Alif follower. But this live video. Good morning. Sabah al-Khair. Che Nerendial. Anabia Ben Kamal. Assalamu alaikum. This is a general updating. The general update concerning Muchakal fi region Batawa, Al-Nil. We're not going to talk about Barkazal. I'm not about Kalam, but we will talk about region of Banado. What's going on for region Batawa, Apanal. But before Gabalman Kalam, I can't write the Dunga Panal. Ba method that take question of more of Dinga boys or Dinga people. That's the Torokun. Why are you supporting Nuer? Okun later Wagman Nuer. Let me make it clear. Nuer de Junubin. Nuer de ma Junubin circuit. Like Nuer is one of the large group in South Sudan. Achan denga ideology to unite South Sudanese again. Nuer anama be kalam zede. I don't like it. I don't like it. I will never like it. I will never accept it. Ana ma bagbal denga elim junubin kulu umikila ta junuf iji rafao fi ras ta Nuer that Nuer umikila ta junuf. That Nuer is a problem of South Sudan, so we can unite and destroy Nuer. This is a personal. What Denga is waging is a personal. The shucks. Denga idu Mikila Manuer. Denga got a common Nuer. Ideology, politically, socially, Denga got a common Nuer. For one reason. Denga be ajat bida kuchumbet. Ajat ta kuchumbet. Kalamba golo yin wana nga. Yin men tiyaw. Shila jade. Abu Kanzol Marub. That's why you see fi Juba, Bitta Kwal Manyang, Amalu Minister. Wala ta John Garang, Amalu Minister. Yal Vra Denga Gado Kudu Bishokol. Not by qualification, but because they know where he came from, his background. On the other end, Nuer are more democratic human beings. Nuer ma shagal kalam jin ganga. Nuer shagal by qualification. Do you qualify? That's why it be should for election ta Nuer. Election ta Nuer it might should be election ta Nuer. When Nuer are electing somebody, it's a very unique way. Zol white nazalagade. Those we are supporting, those we trying to elect, woman bogot, shimit. Zol white go bogot gadamene, zol tana bogot for gadamene. Ila we will line up. Now the babe zole bam warazole. Now the babe zole woman bam warazole. Zole into nazkotar zole win. Why? La no man ma babe bajata kuchumbet. Nuer ma babe bajata tokdwell. They're more democratic. So I can denga gadamala jata tokdwell on the table. Nuer beji bogola denga ajo tum gadamalo de. Denga ajo tum gadamalo de. It's not gonna take South Sudan anywhere. We fit too many examples. Okay, then one can make let me take you back, let me walk you back. And then one who can woman make a gava, ومن كان مشي قاوة باجل جنوب ما جل السودان كله. Then في 72 peace agreement was signed, what came to be known as Addis Ababa Agreement. Nuer fatal bara, Nuer gal la nono ma belim ma Arab tane. Anono bogot fi Gaba, wanono bishakal bakalam da junub. Junub bukun dola, junub anono ganin fiu de. Ila Nuer mechi bilfam, woman mechi asas bilfam al banado alele fi Juba dama bilfam bata Salva Kiir dama bilfam bata wena kot dama bilfam da kwal manyang de bilfam bata Nuer. Nuer mechi amal bilfam. Dan later, Karbino kwa nyamaring love fi talado tamarin. After the nyanya two got for Gaba for talada sana machil arba sana. Karbino kwa nyamaring love, later joined by John Garang, joined by Alfredo Kuch, joined by Salva Kiir, and they went. Women mind Umal, they did not have any place to go. They did not have anywhere to go. They have to defend on Nuer. Jejel kan jej bita Medina kulu bita denga mafia askari white fat. De dubas bita denga bazi oja Salva Kiir John Garang kan askari dabis, Salva Kiir kan dabis. Baga de kulu, de jej bita Nuer. Jejel kan gad fi Medina kulu mio arba mio kamsa Nuer kulu. They supported Ingala bita Karbino Kwany. Now where are you going? You need place to go. To match Abaj. Abaj demuni o gad fiu. The Nuer yo gad fi Abaj. The Nuer yo gad fi Abaj. So you need cooperation, man. Nuer. Uman meche bilpam male fiu Samuel Gaitut. They were welcomed by Samuel Gaitut. In process, denga akam pemuk buta others, denga baamal tare Sudan. Now Samuel Gaitut galo is not a mishkila, the ma mishkila. Adu butana the word, our enemy is one. More important man is Shakal Brana. The Shakal Adu Batana. Lord none of Wessel who do Tajunuf and none of a given up. Utum Nas but Sudan Kulu to Pomshi, the dam. Nas Vertak from Maldak. John Grang Michi Ted, Michi Betet, Michi Gal Carvina Lemuno, Le Reis but a habit. Zol Marquez Banada, Mangiza Almerium. Gal Nazel Marquez. Nazel the Nas but a Muchakal. Ladem etalodinum. Abaj wada guo le John Garang. My judge but Abaj Katalu Samuel Gaitut. Le Katalu Samuel Gaitut, why you kill Samuel Gaitut? Bas Achan Kalam Tari Junub de na my Kalam few. Motan Nelfi, Dol kan Katalu Pinut Nas Batao, Nusnuer. Motan Batagajak, they try to question John Garang. Why did he kill Samuel Gaitut? They declare a war on Gajak. Alan Shagala Puduta Motan Tanwer. Katalu Motan Dagajak. They terrorize Motan Dagajak. Aded woman, Akalu Bagar Batam, Shalu Yalu, Shalu Banado, Aragubu Yudum. Kalamde, Shal Motan Albezir with Anwer, Michel Nemeri. Ugale Nemere. Lana Nemere, you have to remember, Nemere is all raised by Sudan. So Nemere is the raised by Anwer. Gale Nemere, Denga Boktul Fianana. One honor there is Hado. Why Nemere Mechi, what does la? Let those who came to be known as Berget, Olanyan, Berget. Kaisel defend. As of a mal, the rate of Shuf, the Danga Yobada Mushakal, the Manuer, the Rather Tanuer, the Nuero Lagao for Gaba, Jejel Jai, ma Carbino Quine, ma John Garang, Salva Kiir, the Jej with Anuer, lay talk to Finuer for Radu Vitao. Why do you have to kill them? Kalamde, you're led to 1991, revenge. The sugar. Nuer, God is, I just try to explain why do I support Nuer. Nuer nas kwaisin. Pijinubu Sudan kulu Nuer asen gabila. You need to live with them so you will know them. Kalam la gado gulu bara de denga yo gada mun commercialize out of hatred that Nuer Renal Marquez. Lo Nuer Renal Marquez, Salva Kiir, ma John Garang, kan bok tulu, uman kan mabugot bil fam. Bil fam la gado juba le bil fam ta Nuer ma bil fam ta denga. Ma bil fam ta gabila ta de bil fam ta Nuer. Fi chunu bil fam le el bori intram le Nuer. Fi sura ta William non bil fam ma fi. Fi sura ta Samuel Gaitut bil fam ma fi. Fi sura bata David bata ay Nuer al amala jad kwes. Les fi ele fi bil fam ma fi. Ajad el gado bil fam kul dara John Garang de Salva Kiir de denga. Ajad de yo gadi jimu shagal gatira lele when you try to re-engineer history with us. Aja malu fi gadam nas gada everybody now de muna amal kalam de utiji de shilu minas utu kudu fi bedek to gul de batai the denga today they claiming that we are the one who liberated South Sudanese. Awal zol marat fuduta SPLA de karbino kwanyin de manu rawe. Awal zol marat fuduta SPLA karbino kwanyin marat zal fi 83 de yo